Welcome to 14-meter squared farming. Today I am going to be adding a yeast and sugar mix to the homemade fertilizer I have already made. It's pretty simple, but it's going to boost the homemade fertilizer and help with the following. 1. Enhanced nutrient uptake. 2. Improved soil health. 3. Stress resistance. 4. Higher yield and quality of your crop. So we take a 5 grams packet of yeast and add it to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add about a liter of lukewarm water. Gently stir till it's all dissolved. You should start to see bubbles forming on the top. Close the lid and let it sit for over 2 hours. When it's all foamed up on the top, it's ready. Let's go ahead and mix it to the homemade fertilizer that we made earlier on. Now I use it this way as an additive to my homemade fertilizer. Most people you see using this method use it as a concentrate and only mix it with clean water. 5 liter, 10 liter mix and add it directly to the plants. I will then take 2 liters and mix it with another 20 liters of clean water. This way the plants will get fertilized every time I water them, so avoiding the highs and lows of fertilizing once a month or week. If you appreciate learning new methods of small-scale farming, please hit the subscribe and like button for more content, as I will be putting up more videos on farming on 14 meters squared. Keep watching till the end to see how much growth I got over a 2-week period. This is over the winter, so I expect the growth to be even better in the upcoming summer months. In this raised bed I have just planted tomato seeds, and on the right I have already planted my ginger and turmeric bulbs, which I only expect to come out in late September or early October. I will only start watering them at that time, otherwise the bulbs will just rot. In future videos I will be showing how I propagate narji seeds, also known as mandarins or clementines. I am going to do over 1,000, so subscribe if you want to find out if I succeed or if it's a big flop. Leave a comment as a friendly bet, and whatever the outcome I will post the video. Thank you for watching, and please remember to check out all my other videos.